Hi, this is Grant with Full-Time Freedom RV, and today I'm going to be talking about saving space with hooks around the shower, around your doors. I found these door hinge hooks at a garage sale for, I think they were 50 cents or $1, and the idea is that you take out the pin right here, and you replace it. You put this hook over top of it, and then you put the pin back in, and it holds there as a hook, and so you can hang things on it. So I thought this was the ideal location right here because our shower is right here, and you could just open the door and grab a towel. However, whenever I went to put it on here, I found that this was too small. Maybe the RV ones are a little smaller than the traditional home ones, so that didn't work as well. So what I did instead was I just stuck it on here on the top of the shower. There was a little opening there, so I just stuck it in there, and it holds nicely in there, and you could just hang your towels after you get out of the shower, or hang it there, you know, when you go in the shower, and then you can grab it off there. It came with a set. It was a set of 2, so I put the other one here and inside the shower, and so then you could just hang a washcloth or whatever you use in here. So it's just an idea without drilling holes or anything into your shower or RV. Another way to use a hook or something to save space. I'll put a link to some product that's similar like this in the video description. Hope you enjoyed this idea, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a nice day.